Hello and welcome back to day 10 of Packsmas. Today we'll be opening 10 packs. It'll be of something a little bit different. We're going to be opening up a spell book of MetaZoo. This would be my first spell book of MetaZoo that I've opened. The spell book has 10 packs in it. Let's get it going on that. Packaging a little tough to get into. So, as this is my first spell book, we have a Nightfall promo. Not sure what that mask is. Little coin. Some sleeves. The big one. 10 packs. Alright, let's open up our 10 MetaZoo packs. Open these up at the little black tab here. Dark Lightning Orb. Land Tax. Mermaid Shimmer. Spooky Kite. Reverse Hollow, Dark Watchers. Rare Abduction. Then our tokens and stuff in the back. Second pack. Arkansas Snipe. The Umno Lake Monster. A Copy Cup. Vampire Mercy Brown. Reverse Hollow, Axe Handle Hound. And rare of the Dark Watchers. Some of the Black-Eyed Children. Kinderhook Blob. Bubbling Brew. A Wendigo Reverse Hollow. Did you get this? I did get this one full hollow before. Guardian Angel. Metal Man getting blessed. Tea Kettler. Guy going Super Saiyan. Creepy Doll. Reverse Hollow, Adam Ackler. So far, all reverse hollows in this box. And a regular rare, Wendigo. Starting with Black-Eyed Children again. Napa Rebobs. Bursting Spiderlings. Wizard Stew. Unlucky. Reverse Hollow, Faux Follette. And second rare is Boil Over. So first half of the box was pretty unlucky. Didn't get any full art. Didn't get any full foils. Ah, me cook. Cosmic Warp. Boostar again. Destroy Terra. Reverse Hollow. Puddle Bottom's Monster. And a Grim Reaper rare. Six pack. Or seventh pack. Aura Prowess. Turning water to wine. Sam's Club Holy Water. Caster MD. Creepy Doll again. Reverse Hollow. Columbia River Sandsquink. And a Potion Seller. A Crazy Critter of Bald Mountain. Smokescreen. Jack-o'-lantern. Vampire Mercy Brown again. Reverse Hollow. Bandage Man of Cannon Beach. Gotten really unlucky. All reverse hollows from 8 packs is really unlucky. And Potion Seller 2 packs in a row. Pack number 9. Like 4 packs to start off with Black-Eyed Children. Nightmare. Guy getting possessed. Oops, sorry. Dispel Evil. Reverse Hollow, Faux Follet. Second one of those. And a Headless Horseman. Regular rare. It's all down to the last pack to see if we get any regular hollows. Axe Handle Hound. Crazy Critter of Bald Mountain. Faux Follet. Guy feigning Death. Nightshade. And I accidentally exposed it early, but it is a full hollow stalactites. One of the, what do they call this? The something 13. So it's one of the unlucky 13, which is only available in full hollow. So I did get one of the unlucky 13 in that last pack, but overall, just in general, got unlucky with this box. 10 packs, only 1 hollow foil, the rest are reverse hollows. But maybe tomorrow, we can have a little bit better luck. Have a great day.